Layn, Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. Quick tip and some advice. If you're going to add a car to the Avail platform, make sure you understand that Avail does not allow vehicles over 125,000 miles. And if it's 124,000 miles, they probably won't even accept it still, or you'll get a very short lifetime of being on the platform. They'll ask you to take it off kindly. This is what happens. This is what you must do. Before you even buy a car or add a car to Avail, understand well. Say you already have a car and it's close to 125,000 miles, add it to the platform. The rules do stipulate you can add a car that's under 125,000 miles. So do and see what happens. But the goal is if you really want to be approved, make sure you're well under that. And not just that, you also want to give yourself time to earn a lot of money. I don't care how new your car is. You can have a current year car this year. But the point is, if it's close to 125,000 miles, you're not going to earn a lot of money. You want to get as little miles as possible on the vehicle. I don't care how much you spend on it. It could be the cheapest car ever. As long as it works and it's functioning and it has under 125,000 miles, you're good to go. Do that. And as long as the year also is under 10 years old. Avail Car Share at this time only accepts cars that are under 10 years old, which is pretty doable for most people. So what I would recommend is make sure you get a car anywhere from 115,000 miles max or under. Yes, you can add a car that's more than 115,000 miles, but the reason I'm mentioning this, you want more time. But yes, I've added cars that actually have 122,000. The oldest car I've added that was accepted was 124,000 miles, and I'm making money. So I mean, hey, if you have an older car, add it. They will take it. But what I'm saying is, to really appreciate what Avail does and the wealth you can build here, you want to keep your car as long as possible. So the further away from 125,000 miles, that means the more your car can be on the Avail platform, earn that sweet passive $450 per month per car, guaranteed earnings, plus the monthly bonuses, plus the quarterly bonuses on top of that, which you make way more than $450. The less miles, the better for you. So before you buy a car or add a car, do your absolute best to add a car that has, I would say, max 115,000 miles. And if it has more than that, still add it and make your money. To say maybe it won't get that much miles, right? But the point is, the earlier the better if you have any control to it. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. That's the quick tip. Carlin out.